Hi 10th class. In the last class we discussed the page number 66, 65 page problem. That is 64, sorry. Find a quadratic polynomial if the zeros of it are 2 comma minus 1 by 3. So today one time goes through the exercise 3.3. The first Roman is find the zeros of a quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficients. So first of all we have to find the zeros. Afterwards you have to verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficients. Already this kind of problems already we done in the previous classes. Don't forget it. And goes through the second Roman. Find a quadratic polynomial in each case when the given numbers as the sum and product of its zeros respectively. Sum and product of zeros given. If alpha comma beta are the zeros of a quadratic polynomial, alpha plus beta is 1 by 4. Second Roman, page number 67, properly see. Second Roman problems. The first value is sum of zeros, second value is product of zeros. If alpha comma beta are the zeros, alpha plus beta is 1 by 4. Alpha beta is minus 1. Same like yesterday we done the problem in the same kind. Already page number 64. Example 6 problem we already we done. 64 not 63. 63. Example 5. Example 5. Find a quadratic polynomial whose sum and product of zeros are minus 302 given. For once again I have to say that type of problem you have to do yourself. Okay children, once again I say the problem. Sum of zeros, okay, sum of zeros, second Roman, first problem. In the exercise 3.3, sum of zeros is a second problem I will say children because it is root is there. Sum of zeros is root 2. That is alpha plus beta is equal to root 2. Product of zeros. That is alpha beta is how much given? 1 by 3. So that is alpha beta is equal to 1 by 3. Alpha beta 1 by 3, alpha plus beta is root 2. At that time what is the quadratic equation? So therefore the quadratic polynomial, not equation, the quadratic polynomial is k into x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. This is the quadratic polynomial. K into x square minus x into alpha plus beta already given for us. 2, or sorry, root 2 plus alpha beta is 1 by 3. So k into x square minus root 2x plus 1 by 3. And take LCM here. What is the LCM of the, in the given brackets? 1, 1, 3 LCM is 3. So at k value how much we have considered here? At k equal to 3, p of x be taken as 3 into x square minus root 2x plus 1 by 3. Multiply that one, you get p of x is equal to 3 into x square, 3x square, 3 into minus root 2x, 3 root 2 minus 3 root 2x, 3 into 1 by 3, that is 1. 3 into 1 by 3, 3 by 3, 3 by 3 value is 1. Therefore, the quadratic polynomial is 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1. This is the given required quadratic polynomial for the second Roman. And go through the third Roman. Find the quadratic polynomial for the zeros alpha beta given in each case. This model problem also already we done. Once again, I have to say one more question along this model. Third Roman, fourth question. It is given in fractions for you. So we have to do the problem third Roman, fourth problem. Okay, children, one time see this one. This is the second Roman, second problem. Now we are going to discuss third Roman, fourth problem. Third Roman, fourth problem. What is that? One time see. Find the quadratic polynomial for the zeros alpha beta given in each case. Alpha beta both values given. Alpha comma beta are equal to 1 by 2 comma 3 by 2. At that time just we have to find alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Alpha plus beta is equal 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Take LCM. 2 is the LCM for us. 1 plus 3. It should be 4 by 2. That should be 2. 2 ones, 2 twos. And product of zeros, alpha beta. 1 by 2 into 3 by 2. 1 3 3. 2 twos are 4. At that time the quadratic polynomial is same formula, k into x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. So now we have to write the values. P of x is equal, this is that one, k into x square minus x into alpha plus beta value. How much came for you? 2. Alpha beta value 3 by 4. K into x square minus 2x plus 3 by 4. Here the LCM is how much ma? 4 1 1 LCM is 4. 1 1 4 LCM is 4. So at k value is 1. At k value is equal to 4. P of x is equal to 4 into x square minus 2x plus 3 by 4. So now multiply with 4, you get the P of x value. How much will come for us? 4 into x square, that is 4x square. 4 twos are 8, that is minus 8x. 4 into 3 by 4. 4 4 cancel one time. 4 3s are 4 4 are cancel. You get 3. Hence the P of x is equal 4x square minus 8x plus 3. This is the problem. So these 3 Romans, first Roman, second Roman, third Roman problems, properly do yourself and submit it, properly write the homework and bring to class tomorrow itself. Okay children, this is the end of our class today. Bye.